Ice baths are a powerful addition to your wellness routine, offering a wide range of physical, mental, and emotional benefits. And I'm going to explain to you exactly how it impacts our bodies to produce these remarkable effects. So when we immerse our body into cold water, several important physiological changes occur. First, the cold immediately wakes up your sympathetic nervous system, making you feel more alert and energetic. This happens because the body releases a neurotransmitter called norepinephrine. This chemical does two main things. It gives you a natural energy boost, making you feel more awake and focused, and it helps stabilize your mood. The body also rapidly produces something called cold shock proteins, acting like tiny bodyguards to our cells by providing cellular protection and repair to our DNA, RNA, and the cells in our brain, and also maintaining muscle mass, aiding in wound healing, and improving our metabolic health. Another interesting response to cold exposure is the stimulation of brown adipose tissue, or BAT, otherwise known as brown fat, which is a unique type of fat we are all born with, primarily located in our neck and collarbone regions. Unlike white fat that stores energy, brown fat is metabolically active and generates heat in the body. This process, called non-shivering thermogenesis, not only supports weight management, but also improves insulin sensitivity and can protect against metabolic disorders such as type 2 diabetes. Interestingly, women have more brown fat than men, meaning we can achieve the same metabolic benefits with less cold exposure. Ice baths also trigger vasoconstriction, a process where blood vessels narrow to conserve core body temperature, which helps reduce inflammation and muscle soreness while flushing out metabolic waste from tissues, speeding up recovery after exercise. This reduction in inflammation has broader health benefits as it can decrease the risk of chronic diseases and autoimmune disorders. Ice baths also contribute to heart health by reducing blood lipids like cholesterol and triglycerides and enhancing your overall circulation. Cold exposure also stimulates the production of immune cells like white blood cells and natural killer cells, which recognize and kill viruses, stress cells, tumor cells, and other intracellular pathogens. They also can enhance lymphatic circulation, potentially improving the body's ability to remove toxins. For women experiencing hormonal imbalances, ice baths may help balance and regulate hormones by reducing stress, improving circulation, regulating cortisol levels, stimulating thyroid function, and increasing insulin sensitivity. And it may improve libido and alleviate menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes too. Ice baths can also improve skin and hair health by tightening blood vessels, reducing puffiness, promoting youthful skin, boosting scalp circulation to reduce hair loss, and can make hair more manageable. But beyond the physical benefits, ice baths have also a profound impact on mental health. The cold shock stimulates the release of another potent neurotransmitter called dopamine, which can increase by up to 250%, resulting in sustained improved mood, focus, and motivation for potentially up to 6 hours, even after a short ice bath session. So cool. At the same time, beta endorphins are released, acting as natural pain relievers and enhancing feelings of well-being. For those struggling with anxiety or depression, this neurochemical response can provide significant improvement to the debilitating symptoms of these conditions. Learning to relax in the cold also stimulates your vagus nerve, which activates the parasympathetic nervous system, helping you to enter a calm, rest and digest state. Ice baths also offer a unique opportunity to practice mindfulness and build mental resilience. By learning to remain calm in the discomfort and shock of the cold, you develop skills that can help you handle daily stressors more effectively. This heightened awareness and improved stress management can positively impact your everyday life, enabling you to face challenges with ease. Lastly, regular cold exposure can lead to better sleep quality, increased energy levels, and may even promote longevity by enhancing your overall health and vitality. The benefits of ice baths are compelling, impacting everything from your metabolic health and immune function to mental clarity and emotional balance, making them a holistic approach to enhancing both the mind and the body, offering women a powerful way to take control over their health. Compared to other cold therapies like cold showers or cold air exposure, ice baths offer a more intense and quicker path to these benefits, making them the most effective option for building cold tolerance, activating the autonomic nervous system, and enhancing both physical and mental health and resilience. It is important to note that research on ice baths and cold water therapies has predominantly used male subjects due to their stable hormonal profiles, so there is limited evidence into how women's unique hormonal cycles might influence their response to ice baths. But despite this gap in knowledge, the evidence that is available suggests that cold water immersion can be as beneficial, if not more so, for women as it is for men, especially when done at the optimal time of your menstrual cycle. It's crucial to listen to your body, start slowly, and please consult with your healthcare professional before you begin.